What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm in Dollar General. The Christmas items are starting to come in. We have cute buffalo check items way up here. I could barely reach. Look at that. So cute. 8 plates for $1. We have little ones. Aww, so cute. We have snowflakes. The bigger serving ones. All of the party tableware ranges from $1 to $2.75. We also have super cute on-the-go tumblers. Dear Santa, define good. We have Merry Christmas, and then we have these singles that are really nice. They're like a cork. These are a little heavier. These are $2. Drink up Grinches. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. For $2. This super cute gnome for $2. It holds 14.6 ounces. I really love how these feel. Sleigh all day. These are also $2. We have $2 cookie cutters. We have these little plastic ones. These are just $1. So this is going to be the layout of some of the Christmas items. Some of the items I haven't shown yet. It looks like we have a lot of containers and things for cookies and desserts, spatulas, Christmas housewares. It's going to be a nice big display. Aren't these cute? We have a 2 set and the quality is really nice. $4 little towel sets, farm fresh Christmas trees. We have grays and whites. We have red and white, merry and bright. Again, the quality is really nice. These towels are really heavy and substantial. Over here, we have some dish drying mats. We have snowmen. And we also have the cute little red trucks. These are $3 each. And then we also have the buffalo check for $3. Look familiar, anyone? We have the fabric tablecloths for $8. Ooh, look at the buffalo check. It's like a black and gray and white. And also to everyone that loves the little red truck, it says farm fresh Christmas trees. Oops, let's pick that up. We also have the red and black buffalo check in the back. Chair covers for $1 each. We have some really nice rugs. You guys, make sure you head back to the home aisle. Dollar General has some really nice items and they're here year round. Look at this one, Merry Christmas. These are $5 rugs. These are the soft rugs. There's no backing. The traditional colors. We also have snowmen. I really love this one. It's really nice. And keep checking. You guys know all the stores are behind just a little bit with their Christmas items. So keep checking every week for more and more new items. These placemats are $1. I love the silver. We also have these little lace doilies, 2 in a pack. 2 white or 2 red. And then we have these. These little placemats are $2 each. And the quality is really nice. They feel pretty heavy and they definitely would be a nice wipe clean mat. Like, I really like those. And then we have some $2 pick your own pine, spruce, fir, or cedar tapestry placemats. I've seen a lot of people hot glue these together and turn them into pillows. A super affordable way to make a pillow. Also, if you're not into sewing, you could always use hot glue. And then we have a bunch of cute glass embossed pint jars, $1 each. Here are the tops. Now I love this right here. Look at this container, you guys. It's just $2. I love the 3 different varieties of buffalo check. We have green and black, white and black, and red and black. Fresh cut Christmas trees. We also have the little red truck. And we have the taller container here for just $1 more. This is $3. Also available in the fresh cut Christmas trees. We have little $1 mini food storage. These are 3 packs. Also available with the red lid. And we have some larger ones here. These are $2. We have snowflakes. We have little red trucks. We have some rectangular ones down here. Some square ones. Nope, these are rectangular also. These are stackable, $3 each. The way they stack is just through the lid. Aw, so cute. Looks like these are all available in Santa and his little red truck. I love how easily they stack. We also have some $1 plastic covers. We have loaf pans. Maybe you make things, what's that called? What's that called, you guys? Do you love it or do you hate it? You know where I'm going with this. What's it called? Fruit cake? Tell me in the comments if you've ever tried a fruit cake that you've actually liked. These are $1 each. I don't think I ever have. Maybe you have a recipe that's actually good. You guys, this is cute. Aw, I love this right here. So cute. We also have a Christmas, where is he? Aw, Christmas dinosaur. Again, those are just $1 each. Those would make nice little stocking stuffers. We have tons of cute fall items in here as well. I'm just gonna keep this video Christmas though, because I wanna come show you guys the candles. These are $5 candles, I believe. Yep, $5 candles. We have Cookie Exchange. We have the Magic of Christmas. We have Sparkling Candy Apple. I think just the 3. This is what the lid looks like. These are soy blend candles and they're 3 wick. And they smell really nice. They are exactly Bath and Body Works sized. If you guys want to see the rest of these candles, look out for part 2. Back in Dollar General, a whole nother 8 to 9 minutes of Christmas items. You guys don't want to miss it. The video just got kind of long, so I figured I'd keep it a little shorter for you. Anyways, you guys definitely come back to the very next video, and thank you so much for watching. If you guys haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe. Bye, guys.